Here we're going to look at charted dosages, and I'm going to look at section 4.4 on page 103 in the textbook by Carol Castellón. And let's take a look at some of those problems. So the first problem we have here looks this way, and we need to see what this is going to represent. So this is typically how we would write a dosage. We need to go ahead and translate that meaning. So this symbol represents dram. This symbol represents 5. TID, take a look at the abbreviation page. TID stands for 3 times a day. So this would translate at 5 drams 3 times a day. The next symbol we have is the following. So that symbol, where we have the 3 with a line through it, corresponds to ounces. And the III is 3, of course. And Q4H stands for every 4 hours. So looking at this, then we would say 3 ounces every 4 hours. Our next example is the M sub X symbol, of course, stands for minims. VISS stands for 6.5. And BID stands for twice a day. So putting all this together, we would say that is 6.5 minims twice a day. Okay, skipping to a somewhat more challenging one, let's take a look at the following. So looking at this of course represents drams. This is the Roman numeral 21 and 1/2. Q3H stands for every 3 hours. So to write this, 21 and 1/2 drams every 3 hours. Continuing in our discussion, if we say GR V PRN, we have to make sure that we realize that GR stands for grains, not for grams. V, of course, is 5. And PRN is as needed. So we'll chart that as 5 grains as needed. And let's take a look at this. So this is ounces, but with the F in front of it, that stands for fluid ounces. IV, of course, is 4, and QPM is every evening. So there we would say 4 fluid ounces every evening. So if we are asked to chart take 2 teaspoons every 4 hours when necessary, we start with 2. This seems to be the preferred notation of the textbook. Teaspoons, and we could use TSP or little t. TSP is going to have fewer problems with confusion. Every 4 hours, Q.4H. As necessary will be PRN. And let's do one more. Namely, take 1 1/2 drams. Three times a day. For 10 days. So we're going to have to use our symbol for drams, which of course it looks like a 3. 1 1/2 drams in Roman numerals. ISS for 1 1/2 drams. 3 times a day would be TID. For 10 days.